Cheers and Merry Christmas from Beerstories to all of you. This is a video where I'm just gonna say thanks for all the support and also a recap of 23 and also what's going to happen in 24. But first, cheers. If you want, I would be really glad if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I make a lot of beer reviews. Primarily beer reviews actually. Of great both Danish but also a lot of US beers and other kinds of beers. Yeah. So follow me on Insta for some cool beer reviews. But thanks for all the support. I really appreciate when people write to me about homebrewing and brewing in general. I think it's what my channel is all about, is giving something to the next person. So keep writing to me, keep supporting the YouTube channel, also support my Insta and Facebook. I really appreciate that. So for 23, I started making grain to glass videos. Right now I'm drinking my Christmas beer, which is a double, and there's a grain to glass video with this one down in the description. So I started making that, and I will keep doing that, of course, in 24. I also made an interview with Morsleudel about making big stouts, and the plan is to do more of that also in 24. I want to try and get a hold of Omnipollo on how they make their IPAs. They are really doing it well these days. Or Verdant could also be a possibility. And more interviews like that with specific beer styles. I'm also going to focus on barrel aging beers. I've started a collab or working together with Bad Motivator Barrels, legacy barrels. So I'm going to start focusing on that as well. Yeah, and then of course a lot of how-to videos and other fun stuff that I come up with. So yeah, that's that. So all I wanted to say was cheers and have a very Merry Christmas out there and a Happy New Year.